Hello dear, welcome to my channel, and there I am showing to you some different type of fossils found in different type of countries. Firstly, the fish fossils, they are mainly collected by normal farmers, as you can see, number one and number two, that is found in many of things that is found millions years ago, as we can see that 400 and 500 millions ago years ago, many times ago. Okay, so there are in my labs. Number second is all these great Yorkshire coast ammonites mainly found in Australia. You can see all ammonites, Yorkshire ammonites normally found in Australia. So I'm showing to you, this is collection of my lab. So you can see number third one is mainly mostly opalized belemnite that was found in Cretaceous aged rocks in central Australia. You can see lightning and many coastal things, crystal like structure. So you can see. And number next one is uh, Dicranurus monstranus from the Devonian of Morocco. A lot of people are freaked out by this guy cause he looks too much like a spider, but he is not example of an extinct arthropod called a trilobite that's lived in the oceans some 400 million years ago. So you can see the like a structure, so Trevolian like a structure. Another spiny Devonian trilobite found in Morocco. You can see this structure look like a arthropod, but not actual. These are arthropods. Number next one is this is mostly founded trilobite found in 400 million years ago. Lived in the oceans, mostly extinct arthropods called a trilobite. So you can see spiders and many these structures. Number next is, I love the light reflecting colors that have been preserved in this 47 million years old garfish, mainly found in the 1970s in the famous Moschel pit quarry just outside of Frankfurt, Germany. Mainly this crayfish specimen is a 10-degree Atraxius gurneri which has been preserved using the transfer techniques. So you can see number next is a mostly found